you also going to teach us
So let's try and do it.
something?
This trick, I actually do it in the beginning of every stage show that I perform. I have the audience have their hand like this. So let's do stretch our hand. Yes? Shake the hand, shake the hand, shake the hand, shake the hand. Now, I then, of course, on the stage, I have them shake their body, but then no need for that for now. Yes. Have your left hand face down. Yes. Have your right hand on top, locking your hands. Yes. So this is a trick. Actually, David Copperfield, can you put your hand a little bit down? Very good. David Copperfield also does this trick on stage in the beginning of some of his stage shows. Now, I hope the audience were following. If not, there was a left hand turned down, right hand on top. On a count of three. On a count of three. 1, 2, 3. We'll turn our hand. Good.
Yeah, that's great.
So this is a magic
I need to
that.
rewind the video and watch it again.
Well, if you rewind it, you might get where the whole magic happened.
Yeah.
So this is of a misdirection. I'm going to teach the audience. I'm going to teach yourself. If you don't know how it works, I'm going to tell you how it's done. So you're sitting in a setting of, let's say, 3, 4, 5 people. Even one person would work, and you will have them stretch their hands, shake their hands. It's just an extra sort of a movement. You're doing nothing to that trick. You will have them the left hand face down. The right hand goes on top, locks the fingers. Yes? Yeah. Until here, I'm doing what you're doing, what everybody else is doing. If I'm sitting with the big audience of people, I'll just look toward one of them and I'll tell them, can you put your hand a little bit down?
Yeah, and that's when he changed.
So when that is happening, when I tell one of them, can you put your hand a little bit down? Everybody is looking at that one person. What is he doing wrong?
Perfect.
Why is he ruining the magic? What's happening here?
Yeah.
Nobody's looking at me, and that's my misdirection. Can you put your hand a little bit down?
Yeah.
I take the hand that was from top, I bring it to the bottom, and I lock it. So this looks like the same thing, but a little bit different. So instead of being from top and rounded, it's from bottom. So yeah. So what you've done, let's do that. Then you take your hand. So that's this.
Yep.
You will do this. Now you can tell.
Yeah.
So this is a trick that if I'm somewhere and somebody goes, if I don't want to really do mind reading and all, I go, okay, let's do this. It's a fun trick. People enjoy it. Nobody would know how it's done, because when you do the misdirection, everybody is looking toward, let's say, somebody. Yes. And then that somebody is that person is the person that's ruining the whole thing. Of course, not nice, but then we have to do something at least to do the magic, isn't it? So then I create the magic for myself. I take the clap, then of course they open their hand and they give me that clap.
That is incredible. I always love to try to identify what small subtlety or small misdirection is the one that actually where the trick actually happens,
Sure,
right?
yes.
Because you feel like you're doing the trick and then in the middle you say put your hand down, means that I was doing something wrong. But that is all part of the trick.
Definitely
it's
it is.
all
Definitely it is.
In fact, the most important part of the trick.
It is. Now the thing is, if I would do this on a TV channel, somebody's gonna watch the video 3 times and will know how it was done. So I don't do these kind of tricks. This is a trick that I do on stage because stage is fine. Because not that somebody's gonna rewind what happened on the stage, unless if somebody's filming it from the audience, then they can just get to know that trick. And I don't mind this trick to be taught to them if they don't figure it out. This is a nice, cute trick somebody could learn to perform for the parents, for their, friends, for the loved ones, once they're sitting with each other.